In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys of how to sell on Amazon in 5 easy steps. I've been selling on Amazon for about 5 years now, and every year my business has grown year by year. The first year selling on Amazon, I was averaging around $300 for my first product, but more importantly, I reinvested in the business and year by year grew about 50 to 100%. I'm on my 5th year of selling on Amazon, like I said, and on average, I'm net profiting around $2,000 for the most part. I have in front of you guys here, this is 𝗤𝘂𝗲. This is like all the data from my Amazon store. And if you're trying to sell on Amazon or make an online business, make money online selling on Amazon, this is a tool I highly recommend you to check out, because this tool allows you to see how much people are actually making on Amazon. If you want 𝗤𝘂𝗲 by any chance during this whole video, I'm gonna have a discount code for you in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comment. And this is what's gonna allow you to pretty much sell on Amazon and get all that data of how much products you're selling, how much profit they're making. Without this tool, I probably wouldn't have been able to scale as much as I've had over these past years. So you can see here on 𝗤𝘂𝗲, as of yesterday, net profit 1,500, a bit lower than usual, actually $500 lower, but I did run out of one product that's generating around $400 to $500 for me. So running out of one product does a big, chunk of, it ruins the cash flow. So just one product and I'm losing a potential $500 per day. So you always want to make sure you have your products in stock and that they're good products to start selling. I'm going to go over exactly how to do all of that in a few seconds, but you want to find products that have a low competition, that not a lot of people are selling, and that a lot of people are searching on Amazon. This is going to allow you to actually get into Amazon and start selling and just grow an online business year by year. So you can see here the net profit 1,500, the past 7 days almost 11,000, and as of last year, like I said, every year's been growing little by little. And last year I grossed 1.2 million in sales as of last year, and I made net profit of $420,000. What I personally like to do when selling on Amazon is I like to make sure my profit margin is 35% or higher. This is really, really crucial when selling on Amazon. You want that profit margin 35% after all those fees, Amazon fees, shipping fees from China to Amazon's warehouse. I'll explain that all in a few, but make sure that margin is 35% or higher. So the first thing you want to do, the first step, is that we're going to open an Amazon Seller Central account. So what you're going to do with this Amazon Seller Central account is you're just going to sign up, and they have a business account and they also have a free personal account. I really recommend everybody to sign up for their free account. That's exactly how I started off, and I recommend you to start off like that as well. Take that first baby step and sign up today, because it's for free. You can do it right now. So you want to type in Amazon Seller Central and you want to go to sell.amazon.com. With here, you're going to look at pricing, and they should have right here 2 different pricings. You can see here the individual and the professional. The individual is what you want to sign up for because it is free and it's only charging you 99 cents per item sold. But once you find that product that you want to start selling, have it shipped to Amazon's warehouse, then you can switch to the professional monthly fee. That's going to allow you to sell Amazon Prime, Amazon FBA. So you want to sign up as an individual. You're going to go to sell.amazon.com for this, and you're going to be able to sign up like this. You're going to click sign up here. You're just going to fill out this information by creating an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, I still recommend you to make a separate account. That way it's not linked to your personal account. And you're going to create an Amazon account, and you're going to be able to sign up right away. The second thing you want to do with selling on Amazon is that you want to find a product to start selling on Amazon. This is pretty intimidating for a lot of people because they don't even know when to start with selling products online or even how it works. So I'm gonna break it down really simple for you guys. So what I personally like to use is 𝗤𝘂𝗲�10. It's a tool that allows you to see exactly all the data of how much people are making online, how much sales they're doing every day. So I'm gonna show you guys a brief example of it. And I also have a full tutorial of it on my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. So what I love about 𝗤𝘂𝗲�10 is that we're able to have plugins to actually see how much people are selling. So what I personally like to sell are products that are small and light, that are less than 3 pounds, that are, not competitive and get really searched on Amazon. Lash glue falls under all these criteria for me, and I use this a lot as an example for my videos because it's a great product to personally start selling if you have a good supplier. So with 𝗤𝘂𝗲�10, you're even allowed to have a Chrome extension plugin, and you can see with X-Ray how much sales this person is doing on average. And this is just an example of the potential you could be making selling on Amazon. So for lash extension glue, just glue for eyelash extensions, this person is generating 9,500 sales monthly selling lash extension glue. That generates to $200,000 in revenue every month just by this one product alone. You're gonna click sales graph here and you can see on average how much units they're selling every day. And on average, they're selling around 300 units per day. And this is just one of the products that this company has, and they've been growing year by year. If you go to their storefront here, you can see that they have a ton of products of lash extension glue. This just selling lash extension glue, they're generating over $1 million in profit just by this product. So even you could sell weird, different niche products, not weird, but special niche products, and you can really make a long-term business by it. You wouldn't probably think that this one company is making $1 million profit every year by selling glue. That's crazy. But if you see the numbers and you see the data, that's what they're doing, and that's personally what I always pursue when selling on Amazon. My first product I started selling on Amazon, it was nothing related to my passion, no hobby, nothing like that. I looked at the numbers that 𝗤𝘂𝗲�10 had to offer, made sure it was in a low competition field, it had a lot of sales, search volume, and that's how I started. So to do that and to find products to start selling on Amazon, what I personally like to do is go on 𝗤𝘂𝗲�10 here, and we're gonna go click tools and we're gonna click black box. Like I said, I have a more advanced tutorial of how to do this because it gets really detailed with this, but with this, you're gonna be able to categorize categories and find products that are making at least $5,000 in revenue, that are $15 minimum. And with this is how you're gonna find that right product to start selling on Amazon. If you want this tool, like I said, the discount code will be in the description down below. I'll also have it as a pinned comment. I highly recommend this tool if you're trying to start selling on Amazon. And also, if you want a full tutorial of this, because this probably takes me around, my other video was around 25 minutes of deep dive research of finding a product to start selling on Amazon. So if you want that information, it's going to be in my channel, so hit that subscribe button. So after you find that right product to start selling on Amazon with 𝗤𝘂𝗲�10 black box, then you're going to find a manufacturer for those products. What I personally like to do is sell products that are over $15 because of Amazon FBA fees. And Amazon FBA fees are not as crazy as people think. Amazon does take a cut because your products go to their warehouse, and when a customer buys a product, Amazon ships the product for them. So you never really have to have inventory in your house or have to ship it out yourself. This is what I love about Amazon. It's allowed me to scale my business and travel freely. I'm currently here in Thailand making this video, and I'm able to do you know, travel wherever I want and barely have to. Right now for work, I work around like 2 hours a day at most working on Amazon because everything's pretty much automated right now for me. So it's a great business model if you're trying to start selling products online. Amazon is expanding year by year. You can even sell in different countries as well. So finding that manufacturer for yourself. I recommend 𝗏𝑖𝑏𝑎𝑏𝑎.com. This is pretty much the most known manufacturer, supplier, place to find. You know, this is the biggest one out of all of them. You know, a lot of people like to look for the little ones here and there. I don't. I always find the best suppliers on 𝗏𝑖𝑏𝑎𝑏𝑎.com. And these people are reputable. They have a lot of rep, and I only work with big manufacturers. Like if they have less than 3 to 4 years selling on 𝗏𝑖𝑏𝑎𝑏𝑎.com, I pretty much avoid that, because if it's like their first or second year starting off on 𝗏𝑖𝑏𝑎𝑏𝑎.com, they could probably be middlemen as well, getting a cut. I like to work directly with the manufacturers, and that's where I always see the best price for that. So let's say for that, we're trying to find lash extension glue for this example, because we found a great product to start selling like our competitor. And for lash extension glue, those people are making around $20 profit each unit, and you saw how much units they were selling. So this product, I recommend you could probably get it for around $2 to $3 at most. And you want to get this a very high quality product as well. So you would look for manufacturers that have this product here. And you can see here that this person has probably a sponsored ad. Yeah, it's an ad here. But they look like they have pretty similar products. What I personally would do is request samples from all of these suppliers. And I would personally message these people, chat now, and say, can you send me a PDF catalog of your products? Here's my WhatsApp or Skype. And I'll copy and paste that and send it to a ton of these manufacturers that have the products, and that way you can get those prices, and you can also get some more product ideas that you probably didn't know about. So that's the cool thing about asking for a catalog, and it's always worked for me, so hopefully it works really well for you as well. After you make your Amazon Seller Central account, you find the right products to start selling, and you find the manufacturer that you want. So the next thing you want to do is you want to start that order with the manufacturer. There's a lot of details towards this with making an Amazon listing and having it shipped to Amazon, but what you want to do is put that deposit for the supplier. Usually they request 50% to make it, and that usually takes around 30 days. And then once they make it, they schedule the shipment to Amazon's warehouse. For the most part, your shipment is going to be cargo from China to California. That's what I always do. And that goes straight to Amazon's warehouse, and you have your product on Amazon Prime. There are a little bit more details that you have to learn along the way for all of this, but that's pretty much a general explanation of it. And then once your products are in Amazon Prime and Amazon's warehouse, then with the Seller Central account, you're gonna be able to see your inventory, and it's gonna be live on Amazon. Amazon Prime, it's gonna have 2-day or 1-day shipping, or sometimes even same-day shipping, and your product is gonna be live, and then you're gonna have to launch your product. Launching your product is something where you pretty much do free giveaways, and you do a lot of sales for that product, and that's what's going to allow you to get ranked on that first page of Amazon, and it's going to allow you to grow a long-term business. When selling products on Amazon, I always make sure all my products are always on that first page, and what gets you on that first page is sales. And I teach you guys how to get always on that first page with sales and all those little techniques, tips, and tricks. But that's it for the most part. You just want to get it to Amazon's warehouse, and you want to launch it correctly. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, leave them in the comment section down below. If you want Helium-10, also use the link in the description down below, as well as a pinned comment. And If you want any help, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram, on my social media. I'll have it up here or up here. And that's about it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.